The problem we will talk about in today's video may seem something silly and simple, but it can be really inconvenient. Do you know someone who suffers from itchy scalp? The chances are you have also suffered from this once in your life. But do you know what causes it? What can you do to solve this problem that seems small but causes a big discomfort? Did you know that itchy scalp may be related to different causes? One of the main and most common reasons is excessive dryness. It can happen because of the shampoo and other products we use every day. In other cases, it can be eczema. It can be confirmed if the scalp shows any patches of skin with a different color. The area usually becomes inflamed and red and can show some small blisters. Besides that, there are also allergies that can be caused by products or allergens such as hair dye, shampoos, or creams that cause an inflammatory process on skin. Before going out to buy medicines to stop this problem, see 3 tips to soothe this inconvenience. 1. Wash your hair regularly. 2. Use a shampoo free of parabens and other irritant substances. 3. Apply conditioner on your hair's length and avoid applying it to your scalp, as to avoid developing dandruff or scalp irritations. If these things don't solve your problem, what about trying one of these 3 natural homemade recipes? Egg yolk. If your problem is a dry scalp, you can try this simple homemade medicine. You only need to wash your hair with egg yolk. The egg is a very nutritive food, rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Mix 2 or 4 yolks in your natural shampoo and wash your hair as usual. Peppermint oil shampoo. If you want something faster and soothing without stopping using the products you are already used to, try using peppermint essential oil. Add 5 drops of oil to every 100 milliliters of your shampoo. As you use it, you will notice a refreshing sensation. Peppermint oil activates your circulation, reduces oiliness, fights infections, and prevents hair loss. Coconut oil and tea tree. If your problem is eczema or any other infectious skin problem, try using tea tree and coconut oil. Write down the ingredients: 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 45 milliliters, 7 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix the 2 ingredients and apply all over your scalp before going to bed. Let it act during the night. In the morning, wash your hair as usual. Very easy, isn't it? If the symptoms persist, talk to a dermatologist, the only one who can help you with a more specific treatment for your case. If you make any of the recipes, share your opinion with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.